Hello everyone. So today is day 7, believe it or not, my Jeep saga.
Before I play the update on my Jeep, today I'm at Box Canyon, one of the most beautiful spots here in Ouray. It's home to a roaring waterfall and is known as the world's largest box canyon. A box canyon is a canyon surrounded on three sides by towering rock walls, with just one way in and out. Here in Ouray, Box Canyon is famous as the world's largest, with a 285-foot waterfall crashing right through it. But it's not just about the waterfall. There are also beautiful trails here with sheer cliffs and a bridge that crosses the canyon at its narrowest point, leading into a tunnel and walking trail with incredible views. So when you're here for your off-road trips on the many Jeep trails in this area, make sure to carve out a couple of hours to visit Box Canyon. It's absolutely worth it. In just a couple of days, we'll be taking a nearby trail that might finally bring us closer to solving the mystery of that cabin across the gorge. And I think you'll be surprised when you hear who once lived there and their connection to a very famous song. I won't name it just yet, but let's just say you'll recognize it when you hear it. Stay tuned, I'll be sharing clips of the hike here in Box Canyon at the end of my video. If you are interested in seeing it, between the roaring waterfall, the history, and the views, it's one you don't want to miss if you're here. But for now, let's roll into the rest of my Jeep update.
I got an email yesterday late afternoon from Jeep Cares that one of the parts, the alternator, is not available, and they can't even give me ETA, and the best they can do is maybe next Thursday. So I checked the Mopar website, and it says unavailable. I did find a 23, a one that was for the 23 model on the Mopar website on Denver, but it's not the same part number. So I don't think that's going to work. I'm not sure what the differences are. I would think it's not that much different, but I know the dealer is going to put in your VIN and put in whatever comes out. So, and it's probably best for compatibility issues to stick with the part number that comes up. In any case, I've sent a message to Jeep Care saying this is unacceptable. I mean, this is the third time I've had issue with my 24 Jeep. The first time was the day after I bought it. It was in the dealer for nearly a month, and I had to contact an executive at Stellantis and work through them to get it resolved. Took a month to resolve it. The next time I've had 2 oxygen sensors to go bad, and took the dealer 3 weeks to install it. Now, the dealer in Montreux has been great so far. They've been really responsive, talking to me. They've got me in. See, I dropped it off Friday late night, and so they didn't have any technicians till Monday, but they looked at it on Monday, which is great. I explained my situation, and they ordered the parts. The problem is this alternator is not in stock, and I just can't believe how this can happen in this day and age. But in any case, that's the update. I've sent out my emails, and I'm looking at other options in case this thing drags out. Today I'm here at Box Canyon, so let's take a quick look at that. It seems to be a beautiful area, and here we go. Let's see, there is an emergency phone here. Should we use it? No, I think we keep going.